All right, listen. I've tested more AI tools this year than Netflix has released mid-season cancellations. Some of them, genius. Others should be arrested for time theft. But today, I've got 5 AI tools that don't just save time. They literally print money if you use them correctly, like recurring commissions, affiliate empire. I quit my job and now sell ebooks in my pajamas. Kinda money, strap in. This isn't just software. It's your new digital hustle toolkit. Let's start with Koala AI, aka ChatGPT's weird cousin, who skipped therapy and went straight to hustling. This thing writes full-on SEO blogs in minutes. Like, you give it a keyword, and suddenly you've got a 1,500-word post with Amazon affiliate links and keyword clusters your SEO guru forgot to mention. And people aren't just blogging with Koala. They're building websites about Koala that recommend Koala. It's AI inception with a paycheck. And yes, it has a recurring affiliate program. You sign someone up and every month they stick around. Passive income vibes. Next up, Jasper AI. This one's like hiring a genius copywriter who never sleeps, doesn't ask for PTO, and actually gets your brand voice right. It's not just for blog posts. This beast does YouTube scripts, emails, Facebook ads, landing pages, and probably apology letters for your last product launch disaster. Used by actual Fortune 500 companies and wannabe gurus alike. And yes, 30% recurring commissions. You're basically playing Cupid for marketers. Matchmaker with a paycheck. Number 3, Ptory AI. This is the faceless YouTuber's holy grail. Drop in a blog post or script and boom, it spits out a full video with stock footage, subtitles, music, AI voiceovers, everything but the copyright strikes. Perfect for cash cow, YouTube, TikToks, Reels, or that affiliate channel you're too shy to put your face on. And the affiliate program, also recurring. One promo can pay you every month while you're sipping iced coffee pretending to work at Starbucks. This next one is criminally underrated, Phrase.io. It's like giving Google an anxiety attack, because it tells you exactly what to write, how long it should be, and what keywords your competitors are sleeping on. For blog nerds, niche site flippers, and SEO-obsessed creators, this is your cheat code. And yup, recurring affiliate income again. Most people who use Phrase stick with it. Why? Because ranking on Google without it feels like trying to do calculus while blindfolded underwater in a hurricane. Last but definitely not least, Systeme.io. This isn't just a tool, it's a whole dang startup in one dashboard. Funnels, emails, landing pages, course hosting, all of it. It's like if ClickFunnels and MailChimp had a baby and then raised it on free tier steroids. And the affiliate deal, 40% recurring. They even give you a ready-made funnel so you can start promoting Systeme with Systeme. Meta money, real fast. All right, let's speed run this before your coffee gets cold, because these tools, they print money when used right. First up, Koala, this one's your secret weapon if you want to write blog posts that actually rank on Google and sell your stuff. Just type in your topic and boom, Koala spits out SEO-optimized articles that are ready to make you money. Next, Jasper. Need ad copy that slaps harder than a Monday morning espresso? Jasper's your guy. Email marketing, landing pages, Facebook ads. It writes like a seasoned copywriter who's had too much caffeine and knows your niche inside out. Third, Ptory. Camera shy? No problem. Ptory turns blog posts or scripts into full-blown videos, but with voiceovers and visuals, no face required. It's like having a YouTube team in your browser. Then there's Phrase. If Google rankings feel like a mystery, Phrase solves it. It analyzes top-ranking pages, tells you exactly what to write, and basically whispers SEO secrets in your ear. And finally, Systeme.io. This bad boy is your all-in-one business launcher. Funnels, emails, courses, even digital products. All in one dashboard. No juggling 10 different tools, just plug and profit. And the best part? Every single one of these has recurring affiliate programs. That means you build the content once, promote it once, and then the commissions, they start rolling in like clockwork. This is how smart creators and marketers stop trading time for money and start stacking passive income like pros. All the links are below. Yes, they're affiliate links. No, you don't pay more. Yes, I might earn a little something. And that's the model you can use too. So pick one, try it, break it, then promote it, and start building passive income without selling your soul to hustle culture. Next video. I'm dropping the full affiliate income roadmap, step by step. So hit that subscribe button, smash the bell like it's your Monday alarm, and comment below which of these tools are you trying first. And hey, if this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll build a full passive income blog using Koala, rank it with Phrase, promote it with Jasper, animate it with Ptory, and funnel it all through System live. No face, no team, just caffeine and chaos. Let's make it weird. Peace out.